Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about rotator cuff tendinopathy. So let's start. Rotator cuff tendinopathy is when a tendon in your shoulder has tiny tears in it or is inflamed and it hurts. Here is the inflamed and torn tendons. You can see in this picture. The rotator cuff is a common name of four distinct muscles and their tendons that provide strength and stability during motion of the shoulder. Number one is the supraspinatus, number two is the infraspinatus muscle, then subscapularis muscle and teres minor. So what are the symptoms of the rotator cuff tendinopathy? Pain at rest or at night, pain in the area of the four rotator cuff tendons, tenderness located in the shoulder joint with the dull achy. And the swelling in the shoulder area, limited motions. Pain is not sudden but will gradually increase. Associated with pain is the growing weakness of your shoulder, inability to and movement. There could also be a local swelling. So what are the causes of the rotator cuff tendinopathy? There is the two factors which cause the rotator cuff tendinopathy. One is the intrinsic factors and the number two is the extrinsic factors. Intrinsic factors, rotator cuff tendon degeneration with the overload, and the extrinsic factors is the compression on the rotator cuff tendon. This compression caused by the post abnormalities and spurs etc. वगैरह. General wear and tear हो सकता है, repetitive overload activities हो सकती हैं. And what are the risk factors of the rotator cuff tendinopathy? Is the A, some occupations, jobs that require repetitive overhead arm motions, certain sports, overweight, decreased flexibility, family history, muscle imbalance, and the metabolic disorders like diabetes. So, what are the diagnoses of the rotator cuff tendinopathy? Diagnostic ultrasound and the physical examination is considered the best tool to diagnose the rotator cuff tendinopathies. Partial thickness tear, thickened acromial bursa. MRI is also used for this diagnosis. Physical examination, here is the patient report pain in the 60° to the 120° in the shoulder flexion. So here is the 60 to 120° pain. Is called the rotator cuff disease, is caused by the rotator cuff disease, and the 150 to onward अगर पेन आ रही है तो वो ACG acromioclavicular joint की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. And here is the special test, Jobs test, which is also called the empty can test, drop arm test, Hawkins Kennedy test, lift off test, and the external rotation lag sign. And the treatment of the rotator cuff tendinopathy is the decreased activity that it increase the symptoms. NSAIDs use कर सकते हैं for relief pain, icing, and these are the exercises which is used for the rotator cuff tendinopathy healing. External rotation, internal rotation, pendulum, scapular squeeze exercise, crossover arm stretch, horizontal abduction, and the sleeper stretch. We can discuss these exercises and the test in other recording.